That's neuroplasticity in heels, babe. That's sacred chaos. That's erotic rebellion. Instead of obsessing over getting present, try weaving in tiny sensory rituals throughout your day. We're talking a single square of chocolate you eat like it's a fucking love letter, spraying your pillow with something that smells like turning the page in a great novel, running a brush down your arm just to see if your body flirts back, touching your thighs with intention instead of critique, whispering to your body, you don't have to earn this, you never did. These micro moments stack. They build new default settings. So the next time someone tries to hand you shame, your nervous system answers back with, I'm busy being alive, try again later. Or not. Okay, babe, let's talk real quick about where the good shit lives now. We're making a little content shift, and the Ember Vault is now the official hub for podcast companion worksheets, deep dive activities, weekly member reflections, and our growing on-demand learning library. You'll also get early access to live workshops and private podcast episodes we've got in the works.